Hey guys, hope everybody's having a great week. Hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas with family, friends, safe travels around wherever you were. And I'm wishing everybody a really a happy new year. And just wanted to spend a couple minutes talk to you about tomorrow's event. We're having our premier referral program event. We're giving away a $10,000 Disney Dream Vacation. The gift card is on its way, which should be here tomorrow. And then we're also giving a $2,000 and $1,000 gift card cash prize, actually. So we're excited for that. We've got double the tickets easily, probably 800, 900 tickets this year from four. I think we had 425 last year. We've easily doubled that. It's been an outstanding year. And, in these times, it's hard to even just for me to get away, to get a good vacation with family or what have you. So we're happy to be able to do this thing and to give back to you guys. And it's again hard to get away, but also everything's so expensive. So we're hoping whoever the winner is really gets the most out of it. So make sure you're here tomorrow. Come to our facilities, Tri-State Restorations here at 22530 Gateway Center Drive, Suite 600, Clarksburg, Maryland, 20871. 5 to 7:30, but if you're a little bit late, that's fine. But we're going to do the drawing. You have to be here. I really want everyone here by, no later than, let's say, 6 o'clock or so, because once I start the drawing, if you're not here, you forfeit that ticket. I had three to four winners potentially last year we drew from, and it didn't work out. So I don't want anybody to lose out. Everybody come. We're going to have hors d'oeuvres. We're going to have empanadas. We're going to have all kinds of goodies for you. And I'm just really thrilled and excited to see everybody again, maybe meet some new folks out there. So give me or Adrian a call if you can't make it, or you have any. I've had a couple people already text me for the address and that sort of thing. So really excited to see you guys. Come on out. We're gonna have a great time, ring in the new year, and do all this again. We'll have an announcement for next year. Okay. All right, guys. See you soon. Take care.